So here's 4 supplements that you might want to consider adding to your nutrition so that you can fight off Lyme disease. Lyme disease is as tricky as they come. Often compared to syphilis for the way it changes and imitates other diseases, it's known as the great imitator. Now, everybody is always different, and the healing process can change from person to person, but there are certain things that you might want to consider. Always ask a doctor before trying anything that we mention here, and make sure to check with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplements. Our body has the full potential to heal itself when given the proper vitamins, minerals, and nutrients needed for the body to thrive. Here's things that you might be lacking if you have Lyme disease, so you can make up for it by supplementing or eating the right foods. The first one is vitamin B6 and B12. According to Dr. Axe, vitamin B12 is one of the leading vitamin deficiencies in the world. Vitamin B12 benefits your mood, energy level, your heart, and much more. It also reduces nitric oxide and allows the brain to function with a lot more clarity. Deficiency in vitamin B6 can lead to carpal tunnel syndrome, anxiety, depression, migraines, and kidney stones. Vitamin B6 helps with what's called methylation. In people with Lyme disease, methylation can be already impaired. So supplementing with vitamin B6 and vitamin B12 can help the body in the methylation process, as well as all the other things I already mentioned. Personally, I take a B complex vitamin that has B6 and B12 in it every morning after breakfast. It's amazing what I've seen. My energy levels are up, my mood is up, I always feel pretty great. I have a lot of energy, I have a lot of motivation, and I can move forward through my day with ease. Since I started taking B vitamins, I've noticed a big jump in energy. Ask your healthcare provider or try it for yourself. Number 2 is omega-3 fatty acids. See, in America, it's quite imbalanced between omega-3 fatty acids and omega-6 fatty acids. Omega-6 fatty acids come from things like salt, vegetable oil, and grain-fed meats. So people that are eating fast food and people that are eating burgers and meats with vegetable oils that people usually cook fries in, all that fried food that people are eating is leading to a jump in their omega-6 levels, and their omega-3 levels are way down here. You need to get the omega-3 levels above the omega-6 levels. Omega-3 fatty acids come from things like avocado, flaxseed, walnuts, fish oil, and hemp. Something interesting that I read in my research is that if you take the plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, you know, the flax seeds, the walnuts, the plants that contain these important acids, our body needs to convert that into usable omega-3 by using something called delta-6 delta-rus. Now, according to Dr. Ken Singleton, author of the Lyme Disease Solution, about 25% of the population are lacking in creating delta-6 delta-rus, which helps you convert omega-3 fatty acids into their usable form. The bad news is that that 25% is much higher in Lyme disease patients. In other words, people with Lyme disease have a harder time converting plant-based omega-3 fatty acids into their usable form. That's why using a fish oil supplement could help a lot in the area of getting enough omega-3 fatty acids. Either that or eating fish 1 time a week. But then you're getting into an area with how much mercury you're consuming. So it's important to try, maybe a fish oil supplement will help you out, but just try to get those omega-3 fatty acids in your diet. Dr. Singleton recommends a dosage of 1,000 to 4,000 milligrams a day of a fish oil supplement. Number 3 is coenzyme Q10, or CoQ10. You might have heard of it. It's a compound that aids in the production of energy within the body. Its energy generation makes it vital to heart health. Now, if your Lyme disease is attacking your heart, as it was for me, then CoQ10 can help keep free radicals away from your heart. Its powerful antioxidant properties add a layer of protection to your organs such as your heart. So taking a CoQ10 supplement can aid in restoring energy, healing the heart, and protecting the heart. So it gives you some peace of mind moving forward with Lyme disease. Number 4 is the mineral magnesium. Now, as far as Lyme disease goes, perhaps this should have been the first one on the list. It's extremely important because Lyme disease bacteria feeds on magnesium. A lot of other bacteria usually feed on iron, but the Lyme bacteria is different. It feeds on magnesium from the body. Now, magnesium and calcium are like the same side of a different coin. Your magnesium levels and your calcium levels are always in balance with each other. If you have more calcium and less magnesium, you'll be in a tough position. If you have more magnesium than calcium, you'll be in a tough position. So it's important to try and figure out what you're low in and try and get those levels up. But if you have Lyme disease, magnesium will most likely be low, as it takes the Lyme bacteria consuming your magnesium to duplicate, grow, expand, thrive within the body. Unfortunately, in America, our topsoil has been depleted from essential minerals such as magnesium, so our food is also deficient in magnesium as well. There are many other things that deplete our magnesium, including stress, antibiotics, caffeine, and drug use. Furthermore, Lyme disease and magnesium deficiencies have so many similarities that it's almost impossible to tell them apart. Common shared symptoms are anxiety, insomnia, irregular heartbeat, and joint health. Chances are, if you have Lyme disease, you're deficient in magnesium, and you need to either eat more foods that have magnesium in them, or you need to supplement with magnesium to make up for it. Common foods that have a lot of magnesium include spinach, chard, all those leafy green vegetables that you know about, as well as pumpkin seeds, beans, kefir, artichoke, almonds, avocados, banana, and my favorite, dark chocolate. So you can try to increase the food first and see if that helps, but if not, try increasing your magnesium by taking a supplement. I recently added a magnesium supplement to my routine at night before going to sleep, and what it does is relax the muscles, allows you to sleep really, really well, and when you wake up in the morning, you feel refreshed, energized, your mood is up, your energy levels are up, you feel great. It's kind of just like the vitamin B stuff. It's kind of like the same thing. It's important to have our magnesium, potassium, and calcium higher than our sodium. That's what causes high blood pressure in America. That can be the cause of many heart-related injuries and deaths in America today, is our sodium level gets higher than our magnesium, potassium, and calcium levels. Now, since we have Lyme disease, we know our magnesium is suffering from the Lyme disease bacteria needing to eat off the magnesium. It's important that we supplement or try to find a way to get more. Oh yeah, and you might be thinking, since the Lyme disease bacteria use magnesium to grow, expand, thrive, what if we just cut off the magnesium? Wouldn't that make them die? The answer is no, because the Lyme bacteria can hide dormant for years waiting for your magnesium levels to go up. They have many survival techniques as to not need magnesium to live, but they do need it to thrive. So they'll lie dormant and wait until your magnesium levels go up, and then they'll attack again. So not getting enough magnesium will just make you feel like complete hell, and it won't really solve anything. So really try to get your magnesium levels up if you have Lyme disease, and I think I'm going to make a video solely about magnesium. Well, there's 4 important supplements to consider if you have Lyme disease. Hey guys, it's Ryan Kearns. Thanks for watching that video, and I hope you pulled something from it and got value from it. I just wanted to let you know that I recently wrote an ebook that details my story of my battle with Lyme disease and how I healed myself with diet, herbs, and healthy conscious living. It's called Lyme Wars: How I Counterattacked Lyme with Nutrition, Herbs, and Healthy Conscious Living. If you're interested, it's actually completely free for the time being, and you can click on the link below or go to lifenutrition.com to get your free copy. If you like what you saw in this video, push subscribe below, and thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.